Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air Dishwasher Folding Tine Row. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Folding Tine Row. The Folding Tine Row holds the dishes in the lower dish rack. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to take out the lower dish rack. We're going to put a towel down on the countertop to protect it. Once you have the towel down, we can open up the dishwasher door and pull the lower rack out. All you have to do is pull it out and set it onto the counter. There's two folding tine rows on the rack. They're both changed out the same way. We're going to move the tine row in the position so that the locking end caps are in this position. That'll make it easier to unsnap from the holder. Once you have it in that position, we can just unsnap each end. Once you have it unsnapped, we can pull the end caps off. The new ones don't come with it, so we have to put these on the new one. Once you have them off, you can pull the folding tine row off the dish rack. Here's the old folding tine row next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new folding tine row in, you want to make sure that it matches the one that you took out, so it goes in and folds properly. Once you have it lined up, you can put the end caps on. And then we can snap it into the holders. Once you have both ends clipped in, you can put the tine rows how you want them. And then we can put the lower dish rack back in the dishwasher. To put the lower dish rack back in, all you have to do is lift it up, set it on the door. Once you have it in place, you can push it in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, pull the towel out, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.